Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at AVAX, seeing what's going on. This coin's getting quite interesting, very spicy. We're going to talk about potential for pullback and or increase, and double check a few key factors. Because if you are new to the channel, we just kind of like to look at some big picture stuff and help understand where things are going to go next. And ultimately, if you can learn something here today, I've done my job. So I hope that you can learn something. Obviously, you want to learn a lot more, join over to our Discord group. We got a really cool group of folks there, super fantastic. Really nice swing trades here as well recently from Solana, good 41%. Congrats on that too, as well as Bitcoin 27% for our premium group. Premium Plus actually took some healthy profits too from Cardano, Litecoin, BNB, Matic, to say a few, right? There's a lot of other trades that came through, but some older ones that are oldie but goodies, if you will, okay? So let's look at the interesting stuff here for AVAX. This is quite fascinating to me how much liquidation is both above and below the price action. This coin is littered with liquidation levels. So the most recent lick level, $36 was swept. We got 37 as the next potential target. Keep in mind, equally as much liquidation down at 33 to 33.5. Okay, so not going to sugarcoat it. The price could literally go down as well. But if we take a look at bigger picture stuff, there's a few reasons why the price might go up and also a few reasons why the price might be going down too. So let's talk about that. So quickly to note, on the daily time frame, we're still below the 50-day SMA. A lot of coins are at this level. So it's pretty common. If you kind of zoom in a little bit here as well, what this last 2 months worth of trading, roughly, maybe a month and a half, we can see a heavy resistance at 36. Okay, so previous resistance at 36, still holding fairly strong. We've seen multiple attempts to break that level, still is yet to do so. Okay, getting through that, strong likelihood the price action will blast further up. But we got to get through that level first. And I know what you're thinking. The more often you test the level, the more likely it is to break, right? That's true, but if Bitcoin ends up pulling back, which I don't think will happen, but if it does, we could see a pretty healthy, or sorry, I don't want to use the word healthy, a pretty large correction from AVAX to the downside, okay? Just keep that in mind. AVAX isn't performing as well as it should compared to Bitcoin's behavior here recently, okay? Having said that, we got our stochastic swing to the upside, money flow index is high, RSI is above 50. Those are all positive contributing factors. Is it fantastic? No, but it's still pretty good, okay? So overall, macro is looking pretty decent for AVAX. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but it's certainly looking decent. Okay. Furthermore, too, if we take a look here at some more recent levels here, we can kind of double check the RSI on the 4 hour still over 50, which is great. Money flow index is high, and stochastic RSI is swinging down. We're seeing the same behavior from pretty much every other coin right now. Okay. Most coins are overextended, they're pulling back naturally. But the funny thing is, this coin isn't like massively overextended. This little continuation that we have was pretty small compared to most other coins. So again, that's why I'm feeling like this little push wasn't quite as strong as it should have been, and we're seeing a really strong correction here just from Bitcoin stabilizing. We got to recognize that Bitcoin dominance is still fairly high, all things considered. So that is factoring in here. A lot of coins like this they're taking profit effectively and the price is going down. Okay, so again, AVAX does seem to be one of those ones that is due for a correction here. But the cool takeaway here is that we did break above this most recent high at 35.60. While it's still not above that right now, that was a benefit. Okay, so again, we're above all moving averages here. There's not a lot of reasons to want to consider, I would say, shorting, but again, taking a long seems kind of risky too. Again, there's some conflicting information here to me that I don't love to see on a coin like this. So let's take a look at the hourly and see if we got any confirmation here. This does tell us here that if you got a long position open, you should be taking profits soon. Most other coins are behaving better than this one. In other words, the lagging span's free and clear on most coins. Right now, it's not. Really letting us know that if you have a long position open, you just want to take some profit and consider letting the rest ride. Conversion line is above the baseline, so that's a positive contributing factor. And then we also have the cloud equaling roughly that $35 mark, 35.50 range with where the price action is at right now. So to me, when I see conditions like this, I just kind of avoid it. I don't want to touch it with a 10-foot pole, personally. While it seems juicy to want to go ahead and short it, considering it's doing poorly compared to the majority of the market, it's probably best to wait. Honestly, that's kind of where we're at here. So all ascending trends aside, we are looking fairly bullish, but also fairly bearish too. So I don't recommend trading this coin right now, personally. That's just me. So what are your thoughts? Comment below, I'd love to hear it. I would like to give you my thoughts on Bitunix, phenomenal exchange, link down below, be sure to check them out. No KYC, no VPN required exchange, They've been phenomenal to our community. Thank you again so much. Awesome rewards if you use my link to register. We're going to have private trading competitions here very, very soon. So congrats on, again, all the profits here recently. To my community members, thanks again for the wonderful feedback. I do look forward to seeing you on the next video. Quick little heads up too, we have a few slots left available. Also accepting crypto payments on our website now as well, if that's something you were kind of considering at one point. All right, folks, look forward to working with you. Have a good rest of your day. See you soon. Bye-bye.